Here at Matt's Magic Detail Tech, the detailing training and paint correction training I provide gives you access to a wide variety of polishes, machines and pads. Let's go through some of the products here. So we have my own ultra-fine jeweling polish, my own universal polish, totally waterborne, burn mark proof on OEM paint, chemical reaction polishing line, Fine Lab A50, Merca Pro Iridium 1250, which most people in the detailing industry may not know about, which is a one-step sand mark removal and finishing out product. I'll have a carton of that here for sale, and obviously for use for training as well, a whole carton of 12, I think, or 6. I have Rupes DA Fine, DA Coarse, Rupes, Pure and Advanced, 3D ACF 500, 3D1, which is my favourite of their line, a little bit of Benzerna. We've got Gelson from Italy here, the Zero and the Zero Plus, and I also have in stock in a large amount the Sonex Ultimate Cut 6 Plus and Perfect Finish, the two products of theirs which are real standouts. So if I'm not using my own line of polishes or what's in that drawer or cabinet, I'm using these. So there is no bias here when it comes to product. I'm not here to train you on a system of actual, like, here's the product, you got to use this, I'm pro this brand training. I am everything, anything and anything. Same goes for the pads. We've got German, French, British, American, foams, wools, microfibers, rayons, felt, you name it. So we've got diagonally recessed centre foams, my new ones I'm bringing in from Germany. I've got Kosh Chemi, I've got Buff and Shine, I've got Buff and Shine Eurotech and Eurocell, Shine Mate, Lake Country old curved edge rotary ones from like 15-20 years ago. I used to use Rupes wools, Rupes DA Coarse Fine, Rupes rotary line, microfiber line, pads from England which are more conventional but very Capro gloss pad, Zavisa range, the Thermo standard line, the Thermo all-rounder line, which is these, Thermo trapeze line, microfibers, final inspection D-Bird laser treated wool, the latest ones of those, 3M wool and foam, Max Shine wool, which is actually quite good. There's some of the British ones, all those other wools, French pads from my main manufacturer. We've got a little bit of Merca here. We've got Shine Mate again, pure wax. These two pads are really impressive. And Art to Shine wool and foam down here. The orange pad and the wool pads are excellent. And a bit of Maguire's foam and some other brand foams as well. So there is no bias. It is bring whatever you want to bring and I'll supply the rest. So plenty of stuff here, including also my own new custom made foams which have the extra surface area technology on them. So I'll have a hell of a lot more than those. I'll have piles of them here. And as far as machines go, the old T-Rex, the original long throw, 19mm orbit, random orbital and offset rotary mode, so that's like 19mm orbit with rotary at the same time. Force rotation, Metabo dual orbit machine, really interesting piece of kit, that one. Great for finishing out after rotary. Fine ultra low speed rotary, Makitas, Shine Mates, my Donna Braid 14mm orbit pneumatic mini, 10,000 RPM, 3M 15mm orbit and 21mm orbit machines as well, and whatever else you want to bring as well. It's all here. I've got more coming all the time. So there's plenty of stuff to learn on. And I'm the kind of person that can understand where all of these pads fit, all these machines fit, and all these liquids fit. So, and you get access to my brain, my analytical, technical brain. So you can pick it as much as you like. So just thought I'd mention that. So there you go. Plenty of pads, pad technology I'll be teaching on, and how come all these pads in here. Some of them are new, some of them are old, some of them are really old, and look at the condition of them. They are, except for that one. That one's pretty much trashed. That's about 17 to 20 years old and been used to death. But most of my foams and pads are all in beautiful condition.
So I'll teach you how to do that as well. So stay tuned for more videos, but that's what you get access to at the bare minimum here at Matt's Magic Detail Tech Training.